Hey guys, in this quick video for the Garmin Forerunner 970, I'm going to show you how you can do a factory reset. So just hold down the up button here in the middle and you will get into the menu here. Go down to watch settings, select with the start button and then go down again with the down button until you can find system, hit start. Then you can go again down until you see restore and reset. Select with the start button and then you can go down to reset and hit the start button, and here you have a few options. You can select reset default settings, that's not what I'm looking for, delete all activities, reset totals, and then you have delete data and reset settings. So this is the factory reset option, so let's select that. It's asking you to confirm, restore default settings and clear all data including activities and music, and let's hit the start button to activate that. This will take a little bit of time, but it will do the resetting, and then you have the device ready for reselling, or if you have some other reason to reset it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.